So the CFMOTO 1000 MTX has a big problem. It's so new that you can't even get crash protection for it yet. However, our friends at Rockfox are going to solve that problem. So we've come to Rockfox headquarters, where Mark is going to drop the bike off for a couple days, and Mike the Magician is going to create upper crash bars, lower crash bars, and pannier racks.
I'll now let Mike take over and explain everything.
The idea behind designing a new crash bar for a new bike, get it on the stand, lift it up. We then look for the most vulnerable parts of the motorcycle, whether it be an engine that sticks out a bit more, or paneling on the tanks, or the actual tank itself, in the case of 790s, 890s, and the CFMOTOs. Then we start from that point onwards. We look for the best and strongest mounting points we can find, whether it's frame mount, if it's motor mount. We do have a rigorous way of checking to see if it is strong enough, and then ideally we'd make a, let's call it a bracket that can absorb the punch before it gets transferred. Once we have the brackets in place, if it's something we already manufacture, it's easy. If it's not, we CAD it in the PC, send it to laser cutting, they cut and bend, and we put it on. From there, it's following the lines of the bike to make the crash bars aesthetically pleasing as well. You can make a very strong crash bar, but if it doesn't look nice, it kind of detracts from the whole principle. So the crash bar needs to be strong, durable, but also, well on the eyes. Then we feed it into the computer, into the 3D modeling. It gives us the measurements for the tube and the bend. We then pass that into our CNC bender, which bends the part, and then we take it to the bike, check that everything's right, tack it onto brackets on the workbenches, put it back onto the bike. That takes a good couple of tries and days to try and get that sorted and settled just the way we like. Once everything is done, we weld it, make sure it's on the bike, fits beautifully, and then we build the jigging from that. Then after that, we can put the parts on the jigs and mass produce them. Once they've been powder coated, we get them back, we put them on the bike, take photos, do the manual, make sure that the bolts we have work perfectly, spacers if needed, and we go through about 1 or 2 iterations before everything is, settled and seated for life.
And there we have it, from concept to completion. Now, Mark's CFMOTO wears the very first Rockfox protection system, designed, tested, built, and manufactured right here in South Africa. Your adventure bike needs protection, so support local and head over to rockfox.co.za.